The case of Pastor Robert Kikon and the Father's House Church has taken the state by storm, and many allegations are coming up and many revelations are being unearthed right now as we speak itself. But then one main question is that the Child Welfare Committee is taking up the case right now and handling the case. Now, the Child Welfare Committee was formed under the Juvenile Justice Act of 2015 for the welfare of children and especially minors. Now, looking at all of this information, we have also found out that under the POCSO Act, that is the Protection of Children Against Sexual Offences, under this act, if no offence is reported by any persons, even after knowing and even being aware of certain misdemeanors, misconduct, sexual offense or sexual abuse, if anybody is aware of this and did not report it or made a complaint or file an FIR, that is an offense itself under the POCSO Act. And also we have heard that the church is not cooperating as much as the CWC would like, the Child Welfare Committee. And also we are questioning why the church was keeping mum on this for a month or even more than a month when they came to know about what the pastor had done. And in their statement itself also, they have said that they have made the statement public, that incident came to light about it. And in the statement itself, nothing was mentioned of any sort of complaint except that the pastor having committed immoral acts or activities. Now, this is a very ongoing process right now as we speak. Even yesterday, the Asia Harvest Alliance had given a clarification saying that they're not part of the organization, they're not a member of the organization, the AHA. And also now where Robert Kikon, the former pastor, had disassociated himself from the AHA as well. Now slowly things are coming out, but then again, most importantly, yes, the identity of the victim needs to be secured and safe. We all face all social stigmas, and that is why also, and the traumatization the victim must have faced. But then we also want to know why a formal complaint was not made by the church, which is offense. And it is also mentioned that such persons or organizations should be prosecuted. Now, sources have informed us that the police also will be taking action soon, but the question is when. Tomorrow there's a meeting supposedly happening. We're not clear of this, but there's a meeting happening between the church members and maybe the CWC as well. But this is not confirmed. Hopefully that they will come with some positive response, especially from the church side, and file a complaint and go according to the law with such cases. This is a developing story. Esther here with camera person Moa for Nagaland News Network.